What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1969 Chevrolet Nova. Really cool build, blue paint, which is really, really nice. The shine on it shines nicely. Pretty presentable driver quality paint. I want to say it's a candy. I would believe the sun is currently not out all the way, but in the sun you can really see the shine. Really, really nice. Yenko Deuce graphics on here, really cool. Yenko badges, they were going for the whole Yenko look. You got an SS badge back here, Chevy 2 by Chevrolet, and then a badge that says custom. It's got really nice chrome rally wheels on it with BF Goodrich radial TAs here on the hood. You got an L88 hood, also known as a motion hood. LT1 graphics, because that's what came in the Yenko Deuce Novas, LT1, but it does have a big block Chevy. I believe it's 454. Also has a 454 badge on it. Chevy 2. Let's lift up the hood. Fully fiberglass hood. Here's your engine. Big block Chevy. Can't get any better than that. It's got disc brakes in the front. Nice single plane intake manifold. I believe that's a single plane. Looks like a single plane. Holly carb. Just some cast heads on there, headers. It's got a really nice cam. I'm gonna start it up here for all of you in a minute. Hood lines up great, although it is a fiberglass hood. Here in the interior, looks like, I'm not sure what this console is. Somebody put this console in here. I believe it is not a factory Nova console, to my knowledge. Not sure what it is. Seems like a maybe a 70s, late 70s, mid 70s Monte Carlo console. Again, not sure. I haven't really been educated on that. Sort of looks like a 77 Nova console, but is not. The curvature here is different, but to my knowledge it is a GM console of some sorts from the 70s, I want to say. It's got, you got a tack down here, and then you got some Sun Pro gauges, singled in JVC head unit, climate controls. It's an original air conditioning car, I believe. Actually, I don't think it is. Factory base steering wheel, more like a 70 Camaro steering wheel, 71 Chevelle, something along those lines. Your gauge cluster reads 12,000 miles. I'm sure that's inaccurate. Pretty simple here in the interior. Yenko Deuce on the door panels. Back seats in great shape. Headliners are pretty good shape. Yenko floor mats. Let's go ahead and fire this car up so you could hear it. Exhaust note. This thing sounds awesome. Has a nice cam in it. As you can hear, sounds great. Whoever did the engine did a great job. Willwood in the front, by the way. I believe it's still drum in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this car off, open up the trunk, and then wrap this up. This car's really, really cool. You don't see many Novas with these, with the Yenko design on there. It's got a fuel cell, battery in the back. Other than that, really clean back here. Just got the perfect look. If you are interested in this 1969 Chevrolet Nova, please contact us at 847-848-1850 or visit the website mgmclassiccars.com. We offer special financing for our classic cars with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only. We get new cars in almost every day, so you do not want to miss a thing. Keep checking the website, keep checking the YouTube channel, and stop on by. We have around 250 cars in stock at our warehouse where this car is located. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and it's been a pleasure showing you this 1969 Chevrolet Nova. I want to thank everyone for watching, and I want to thank all of you for supporting us. Let's get this car out to somebody, because remember, it looks great here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. See all of you soon, and have a great day once again. Bye-bye.